This is the multistrada 1200, the Ducati bike. I bought this bike 10 years ago and been riding it all around the place ever since. Until 6 months ago when I sold it. And I've been suffering seller's remorse ever since. Here's why I sold it. I think this cheesy ad helped me sell the bike. I actually sold it 3 times. The first time was under the agreement that I'd get a major service done on it, and we agreed on a price. I got the major service done, but couldn't sell the bike. The bike was just so perfect after I got the service done. It was like riding a new bike. Now, I've always kept the bike in showroom condition, and it was no problem selling it.